Good morning and welcome to Velvet Hammer Fitness here on Patreon. Well, a lot of times one of our barriers to making that next right choice is time. But time's not going to be an issue today because we have a quick boxing workout for you. Yes, you heard that right. We are doing a kickboxing drill workout that will take place in under 30 minutes, leave you nice and sweaty and hopefully challenged in a minimal amount of time. So, you don't need any equipment for this. Some optional things that you might want to add to this workout might be some small hand weights. I'm going to use those for some of the punching moves, and I might even strap on my weighted vest if I'm feeling extra strong. So other than that, you just need a big glass of water and your can-do attitude because you can make that next right choice today with this quick boxing workout. So we will see you in just a few minutes when you gather up all your stuff for the warm-up. All right, let's get ready for this quick boxing workout with your warm-up. All right, start with some jacks. I went ahead and put my vest on. All right, a couple more seconds here. We're gonna go into just some low impact high knees. All right, let's drive it up. We want to open up those hips to get ready to do some kicking. Start to add some punches in. All right, let's turn those knees into some kicks. A few more seconds here. We're going to bob and weave. All right, get those hands to protect your face. Bob and weave. Or duck. Pivot that foot. You definitely don't have to warm up with your vest on. I have warmed up with a few activities today, so I thought I better put it on so I wouldn't forget. All right, let's open those hips even more with some knee up and outs. When you feel good, start taking it up in impact and intensity. 10 more seconds here. You can always keep it here, no problem. All right, other side, you can start low and slow. All right, take it up. Five seconds and your warm-up is complete. All right. If you need more warm-up than this, go right ahead, pause the video. If not, let's get started with your first kickboxing drill circuit. All right, guys, we are ready for that first kickboxing circuit. It is going to be very upper body focused, but those legs are always going to be involved. So you're going to start with 2 uppers on the right, upper, upper, elbow on the left, kick with the right. So upper, upper, elbow strike, kick with the right, okay? That's your first move. And then we will go on to the next. You have 45-15 intervals, so I will dim out each move as we go. You got 15 seconds. All right, we're gonna get in our regular fighting stance here. Protect that base. Here we go. We're gonna start on the right. 2 and 1. Upper, upper, elbow strike, kick. Start again. You can always box or shuffle in the middle too, if that helps you get reset. 20 seconds. Five to go. Awesome work. All right. Next you have 2 hooks, 2 knees, and a slip. So hook, hook, right knee up, slip to the back. Okay? Hook, hook, right knee for 2, slip it back. Okay? This one I like to shuffle on to get reset. Slip it back. Hook, hook, knee, knee, slip, shuffle. Hook, hook, knee, knee. Take it back. Shuffle. Shuffle. Shuffle it out. Use power. Use those legs in your punch. Knee, knee. Awesome job. All right. Now we have those same 2 moves on the other side. So upper, left, elbow strike with the right, kick with the left. That's your first move on this side. Then we start again. Upper, upper, elbow strike, kick. 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 Keep your balance. Upper, upper, elbow strike, kick. 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 About 10 more seconds. Tighten your core. Awesome job. Awesome job. Breathe it out. Now we've got those hooks. Knee in on the left, slip back to the left. Okay? So hook, hook, knee, knee, flip it, box or shuffle. Hook, hook, knee, knee, flip it, box or shuffle. Hook, hook, knee, knee, flip it back, box or shuffle. Hook, hook, knee, knee, 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 shuffle it out. Less than 10. Knee, knee. Hook, hook, knee, knee, shuffle it out. Hook, hook. Whew. All right, we're back to the beginning. Let's see if I can't move this mic a little bit. All right, back to the beginning. Upper, upper, elbow strike, kick. On the right. 1, 2, strike, kick. 1, 2. See if you can speed it up this round. Almost there. Less than 10. Good coordination challenge. Good job. Good job. All right, you have those hooks and knees and slips. All right, let's see if this works a little bit better. All right, here we go. Hook with the right. Hook, hook, knee, knee, slip it up. Hook, hook, knee, knee, duck. Leading with the right. Hook, hook, knee, knee. Smile, have fun. Hook, hook, knee, knee. All right, hook, hook, knee, knee. Hook, hook, knee, knee. Hook, hook, knee, knee. Hook, hook, getting close, knee, knee. All right. Still not sold on my microphone placement here. We'll get it. All right, same thing on the left. All right, here we go. Upper, upper, elbow, knee, elbow, upper, elbow, kick. You got it. Watch me, don't listen. Upper, elbow, kick. Actually does help your neuromuscular communication to be able to say it out loud too correctly. So keep practicing. Elbow, kick, upper, upper, elbow, kick, upper, upper, elbow, kick, upper, upper, elbow, kick, upper, upper, elbow. 5 seconds. Upper, upper, elbow, kick, upper. Woo! Awesome job. Now we're gonna hook for 2, knee for 2, slip and shuffle. Breathe it out. Get a quick drink. We're leading with our left. All right. Hook, hook, knee, knee, slip, shuffle. Hook, hook, knee, knee, shuffle it out. Hook, hook, knee, knee, shuffle it out. Protect that face. Hook, hook, knee, knee. You want to be throwing the hooks, not receiving them. Good job. Woo! Shuffle it out. All right, almost there. Hook, hook, knee, knee, shuffle. Hook, hook, knee, knee, shuffle. Good job. Whew. This is our last round. Oh yeah. Awesome. Upper, upper on the right. Here we go. Upper, upper, elbow, kick. Upper, upper, elbow, kick. Upper, upper, elbow, kick. Go faster if you need to. Upper, elbow, kick. Upper, upper, elbow, kick. Upper, upper, elbow, kick. Smile. This is fun. Feels so good to move. Even when it's challenging, this is not the hard thing that you do. This is the fun thing. All right? So many hard things we have to tackle. Exercise should be challenging and fun. All right? Here we go. We're still on the left. Sorry, we're still doing it towards the right. So hook, hook, knee in on the right, slip, shuffle. Hook, hook, knee, knee, take it back, shuffle. Set it up, knee, knee, shuffle. Hook, hook, knee, knee, take it back, shuffle. Get ready, hook, hook, knee, knee, shuffle. Hook, hook, knee, knee. Hook, hook, knee, knee. Less than 10. You got it, guys. Hook, hook, knee, knee. Hook, hook, knee, knee. You're there. All right. 2 more on the other side, and you're finished with your first circuit. All right, upper times 2. Right elbow, left kick. Keep shuffling if you want. All right, here we go. Upper, left, kick. Upper, left, elbow, kick. My vest gets me off balance a little bit because it shifts when I twist. If you're getting too off balance with it, take it off. Getting there. Keep smiling. Awesome. All right. Hook, knee, slip for the last time. My heart rate's getting up there. I'm sweating good. Hope you guys are too. Whew. All right. Starting with that left hand. Hook, hook, knee, knee. Take it back. Get nice and deep. That time I forgot to lead with my left. Lead with your left. Oh yeah. Oh, here we go. Hook, hook, knee, knee. Shuffle it back. Hook, hook, knee, knee. Ooh, shuffle it back. Hook, hook, knee, knee. Very good. Awesome work here. Whew. You've got like a 20-second rest, and then we will move on to our next circuit. Grab some water. All right, guys, we are ready for your second set of drills. We're going to start with a squat, pivot, low, medium, high kick, okay? Left leg. Then we're going to go into 8 punches, 2 squat jumps, back kick, back kick. Shove that heel out, look where you're going, okay? Then we're going to do the squat, low, medium, high on the right. Then we're going to do some high knees, tricep push-up jacks, and switch kicks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, down, tricep push-up, jack, up, switch kick, switch kick. Probably gonna have to hold on to my vest if I keep it on at all. I may take it off for this one. All right, other than that, we are ready to go. You can keep those hand weights for the squat, low, medium, and high kick if you'd like. Keep them up by your face for some good tension on that upper body. 3 seconds, 2, 1. Here we go. Squat, pivot, low, medium, high kick. Down to squat, pivot, low, medium, high kick. Doesn't matter how high you go. Just do your best. Pivot, low, medium, high. I'm much more coordinated with my legs than with my arms. And pivot, low, medium, high. Pivot, low, medium, high. Woohoo! Pivot, low, medium, high. Less than 10 and low, medium, high. Whew, good burn. Low, medium, high, low, medium. Very good. All right, 8 punches, 2 squat jumps, 2 back kicks. You got 5 seconds. Breathe it out. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 jumps. Step, kick, step, kick. Set it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2 back kicks. Down we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down for 2 squat jumps. Look behind. 1 kick, 2 kick. Down we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and kick, kick. Down we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, jump, and kick, kick. Down for some punches. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice one. All right. Squat, low, medium, high kick on the right. Get your breath back here. Weights or none, vest or none, won't hurt my feelings either way. All right, here we go. Squat, pivot, low, medium, high, squat again, pivot, low, medium, high, low, medium, high. Protect your face. Low, medium, high, and low, medium, high, and down, low, medium, woo, high, and down, pivot, low, medium, high, down, pivot, low, medium, high, down we go, low, medium, high. Great job. Okay, here come the wide high knees, tricep push-up, switch kicks. I'm gonna move my mat back for that one. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, tricep push-up, jack it out, up, switch kick, switch kick. Whew, here we go. 1, 2, 4, take it down, tricep push-up, jack it out, up, switch kick, switch kick. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it down. Tricep push-up. I jacked it out at the same time there. You don't have to do that. Down. Oh yeah. You can also just straight kick here, okay? 1, 2, 4. Very good. I think I'm going to take this off. Seems to be rubbing against my microphone. Whew. And that is no good. We don't want that happening. All right, we're back to the beginning. On the left, squat, low, medium, high kick, okay? Squat, pivot, low, medium, high kick, low, medium, high kick. Squat it out, pivot, low, medium, high kick, down, low, medium, high kick, low, medium, high kick. I don't know why, but the day I record is the day I notice all the dust in my house. So that's my first job after this video is done. That's my next right choice, other than getting a ton of water in here. 4 seconds. 1. And snuggling with a little guy. So I will do that next. All right, 8 punches, 2 squat jumps, 2 back kicks. Take it down. 3, 2, 1. Nice low squat. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Jump. Take it down. Get some air. No point in doing it if you don't. We're not spending a lot of time. Max effort. Here we go. Whew. Awesome job. All right. Squat, low, medium, high kick. We're going to kick with that left foot this time. Wipe off your hands so you don't lose those weights. We're getting so close, guys. Getting so close. Squat it down. Pivot, low, medium, high. Take it low. Pivot, low, medium, high. Low, pivot, low, medium, high. Take it low. Pivot, low, medium, high. Take it low. Pivot, low, medium, whoo, high. This is my not so confident leg. High, whoo, low, medium, high. Really emphasize that pivot with your foot. Really helps you get a better angle on this kick. Here we go. Low, medium, high. Awesome. Last time you're doing that. Now we've got the wide high knees or just regular high knees. Tricep push-up. Add a little jack there if you want. Switch kicks or regular kicks. Make it your own based on how you feel. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tricep push-up. Take it up. Switch, switch. I did 2 equals 1 that time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I did more that time. Tricep push-up. Up. Switch, switch. Just have fun with it. Whatever feels good. 2, 3, 4. I just like the rhythm of that. 1, less than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because we can never get enough high knee action here. Woo. Very good. Whew. That was your last set of this whole entire thing. No, it wasn't. That's your second set. Sorry about that. We're going again. I thought that seemed awful short. So we're going to squat, low, medium, high kick on the left. Y'all are going to think I'm crazy. Pivot, low, medium, high, down, low. Gave you something to look forward to, didn't it? 3, down, low. 1, 2, 3, low. 1, 2, 3. Take it low. Pivot. 1, 2, 3. What makes this hard is range of motion, control. In some moves, speed, but in a lot of moves, we're looking for control. Oh yeah, this is for those days when you can control nothing else in your life. Maybe your kick will go right. All right, 8 punches, 2 squat jumps, 2 back kicks. Look where you're kicking for your safety and also for balance. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, kick it, kick it, squeeze down. 1, 2, kick, kick, back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, jump, kick, kick. Halfway there. 2 jumps, 2 kicks. Woo! 1 stumble. Take it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 jumps. 2 jumps. 1, 2. Take it back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. That one's serious. All right. Squat, low, medium, high kick on the right. You guys are doing awesome. This is actually your last round. Promise. Breathe it out. All right. Squat, pivot, low, medium, high kick. Down, pivot, low, medium, high. I am tapping mine down. You can hover if you want to. A little harder. With my balance this way, I better tap it. But I might do a few hovering just to challenge myself. You should too. Even if you fall on your face, you'll be that much better at it than you were when you hadn't tried. All right, this last crazy move, I'm gonna do high knees count of 4 instead of just 4 high knees because I like it and it's challenging. And this is a less than 30-minute workout. So we gotta give it what we got, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, tricep push-up. Jack it out. Up, kick, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tricep push-up, you can jack it here with the push-up. Kick, kick. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tricep push-up. Jack. Kick, kick. 1, 2, less than 10. 3, 4. Push up. Jack. Kick, last kick. Awesome. All right. We will cool it down in just 1 second. All right, guys, we are ready for your cool down. Let's come down to your mat into a lunge, left leg forward. Okay, you can push on that knee in the front, really feel it in your hip flexors on the right. Working that for a second, and then bring that back knee down. Now we're gonna take both hands to the right of that foot, open up the hip, show yourself the bottom of your foot. Really push in there. All right, now take it back up, and we're gonna send our hips back for a hamstring stretch. Go as far as you can. Pull back on that toe if that's comfortable. Try to relax those shoulders and take it back up. Now, we're going to take the right leg forward. Take it back into a lunge. We're going to rest here for a second. Really feel it in that left hip flexor now. Lower the knee. Now we're going to take both of those hands to the left. We're going to open that right hip. Show ourselves the bottom of the foot on the right. Push in there. Now we're going to come back up, and we're going to send those hips back towards the back of your mat. Reach for those toes. Relax the head and neck. Now we're going to roll back up towards the front. Take that left leg back towards the right. Now we're going to keep our knees nice and bent. We're going to hold behind them, and we're just going to really try to flatten that back. Forward fold. But find some length in the neck and the spine. Now we're going to roll the shoulders forward. Reach for the toes again. Really fold over. Reach for whatever you can reach for. Breathe it out. All right, now slowly roll it back up. Now, we're going to get those quads worked out here. Stand on the left leg. Reach for the toes of the right. Relax the right leg. Send those hips forward. You can send that left arm forward for counterbalance. All right, let's switch legs. Pull that left leg up. Send that right leg forward, or right arm forward. Really relax that leg, shift those hips forward. All right, now we're just gonna make some circles and shake it out because you're all done. All right, great job today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the workout. I will see you up at the camera for our send-off. All right, guys, great job crushing this Quickboxing workout here on Velvet Hammer Fitness on Patreon. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope it was just the challenge you needed for today. And I want you to remember that that next right choice, no matter how small it is, always gets you closer to your goals, okay? Because we know that goal attainment, goal crushing is met by just making consistent small right choices, okay? You don't have to do it perfectly. You don't have to do amazingly brutal or horrifying things. You just have to keep making that next right choice, keep being positive, and always, always be kind to your body, because it is an amazing thing, whether you know it or not yet. So drink lots of water today. Make sure to get a healthy post-workout meal on your plate. Stretch some more if you need to, and really feel good about what you did for yourself today. So whether you were punching and kicking like a fiend and feeling awesome, or whether you felt like you had lots of heavy gloves on those hands as you were getting those punches out, you finished and you did a great job. And remember, it is your health today and every day. So you better hit it hard and get out that hammer with me. Here we go. Boom! Have an awesome day, guys, and great job making that next right choice. We will see you again soon.